Gianna, do you have your new bonnet on? Look at how cute. Can you stop? Leave it on. You're taking it off. Why are you taking it off? You like it, huh? Do you like it? You are silly. Let me see your bonnet. Turn around. Turn around, pretty baby. Show us your Easter bonnet. You made a mess of the shoes, didn't you?